Respected parents, teachers, and my loving students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Paradise official YouTube channel. Today I'm here to discuss about prep class English learning with syllables. See page number 42. Today our topic is positional words. Today our topic is positional words. Positional words are words that as the position or location of a person, animal, or thing is called positional words. Some positional words are in, on, under, behind, in, between, beside, near are positional words. For example, look at the cat. It is in the basket. In use for inside something, and on use for top of something, under use for below something. Ella, double OK, look, at, look at, the, look at the, Sika, at cat, look at the cat, it, is, it is, in, it is in, the, it is in the, BS bas, ticket basket, it is in the basket, in use for inside something. Okay, then Ella, double OK, look, at, look at, the, look at the, Sika, at cat, look at the cat, it, is, it is, on, it is on, the, it is on the, air, chair, it is on the chair, on use for top of something. Ella, double OK, look, at, look at, the, look at the, Sika, at cat, look at the cat, it, is, it is, under, it is under, the, under the, table, it is under the table, under use for below something. Look and write the correct prepositions. Ella, double OK, look. Dear student, look at the picture and write, filling the blanks. Look at the bear. See the bear. Where is bear? Bear is in the car. Look at the cat. See the cat. It is under the car. Where is cat? Cat is under the car. Look at the frog. See the frog. They are on the tent. Where is frogs? Frogs are in the tent. Look at the gorillas. Where is gorillas? They are in the tent. See the gorillas. And here in the tent. Look at the rabbit. Look at the rabbit. It is on the alligator. Rabbit जो है वो किधर है? वो alligator के ऊपर बैठा हुआ है. Okay students, please must watch this video. So please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.